Dean Students Welfare will work out, have meeting with the student representatives and make different teams. A team for maintaining, this campus as smoking free, campus. हमने तो notices निकाली हैं, but still we know that, it's not 100% smoke free campus. So who can help it to make it smoke free campus? It's only you. हम वो आपको बताएंगे इसको कैसे करेंगे. फाइन जो इम्पोज करेंगे आप लोग इम्पोज करेंगे, यूनिवर्सिटी उससे एक पैसा नहीं लेगी, एंड दैट अमाउंट विल बी यूटिलाइज फॉर द स्टूडेंट welfare, for the student community, whatever it is. Then how to maintain the green campus. We'll also see how we can maintain green campus, किस तरह क्या करेंगे. And believe me, whoever works hard and show us the results, we'll give them credits. आपकी internal assessment है या आपका external ये है, I will see that in your curriculum we give it marks. We evaluate आपका जो hard work है, it will not go waste. You will be given credit for that. You will be given marks for that. I think this is how we can work together and see that our campus is very serene and it's one of the most beautiful campuses, no doubt about it. मैं सिर्फ अपनी country की बात नहीं करूँगी, मैं दुनिया की बात करूँगी. It's one of the most beautiful campus. But if we do not preserve our environment around us, if we are not sensitive, if we are not aware, we are not serious in maintaining it, there will be a time when everything will go haywire. कोई botheration नहीं होगी, to see that it's a beautiful campus. So I will work out with Dean Students Welfare, with Cultural Officer, with our head NSS, and the other officers of Dean Students Welfare. We'll make different committees. I will tell, Shahid also to think of it, take students on board. आप लोगों को on board लेके different committees बनेंगी, and these committees will be responsible for maintaining the green campus. आप लोग मुझे idea बताइए, give us the ideas. I want ideas from this, students around. Give us your ideas and we'll inshallah definitely implement it. And I said, fine, आप लोग करोगे, where anything is going wrong, you are responsible to find it. There'll be a process, there'll be a procedure, and that amount will not be utilized by administration in anything, for the welfare of the students only. And inshallah, I think we'll be successful in doing that.
We are committed to preserve the cultural heritage of this university, particularly this Naseem campus. As I said that we are committed. I will just give you one example. Me as a registrar, I am committed to make it sure that there should not be any kind of violation regarding anything which is against our environment. So we will never tolerate that anything happens which is against our environment. Fortunately, we are in the Kashmir University, and you can see around your left and right how this campus looks. It's very beautiful. And we all are, in fact, very fortunate enough that we are able to avail the beauty of this very campus. So it is our moral responsibility, moral duty that we have to preserve the cultural heritage.
The university is committed for keeping the environment safe, especially the campus. And there are certain initiatives being already taken by the university, and ma'am already made some of the announcement there that the plastic ban has to be implemented into letter and separate, and other environmental related issues which the campus is facing. And we are also committed for a nature positive university, and we hopefully will be also joining this nature positive universities list, which is a joint effort by the Oxford University and the United Nations Environment Programme, wherein the universities commit themselves for the different components of the environment in terms of their ecological footprint. So I hope that this today's event will carry forward by the students and will have a larger impact in terms of the environmental sensitivity of the campus.
Students participated in an eco rally and pledged to save the environment and also work for particularly betterment of this pristine Naseem Bagh campus. The Vice Chancellor has assured that this Naseem Bagh campus will be taken care of, and every student will be given for his social work towards the environment. He will be given credits in his examination. So we congratulate all the students, all the participants on behalf of National Service Scheme, University of Kashmir and Dean Students Welfare for the participation and their pledge to safeguard at least their immediate environment, which is their institution and the ambience around their homes wherein they stay. So we also pledge to make this Naseem Bagh campus plastic free, completely plastic free, and also drugs free and smoking free.